morning, dear children. Today I am going to deal with some numericals on electric potential. So here comes the first numerical. If 100 joules of work has to be done in moving an electric charge of 4 coulomb from a place where the potential is minus 10 volt to another place where the potential is V volt, find the value of V. Now since the charge is being moved from one place to another place, hence the potential at both the places will be different. So we'll apply the formula for potential difference. As we know that the potential difference, that is VA minus VB, is equals to work done per unit charge. Right. Now, where VA minus VB can be considered as the difference of the potential between the 2 points. So, normally we take the potential at the final position minus the potential at the initial position. So, we'll substitute. Let us suppose that VA minus VB. So, I'll take final position minus initial position as final position is B minus initial position is minus 10 is equals to work done per unit charge. So how much is the work done? Work done is 100 joules. So it is 100 upon the charge. Charge is 4 coulomb. So we take it as 4. Now V plus 10 is equals to 25. Right? So V will be equals to 25 minus 10, which is equals to 15 volt. So V is equals to 15 volt. So the answer would come out to be 15 volt. Moving on to the second numerical, determine the electric potential at the surface of a gold nucleus. The radius is 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 15 meter. So I'll write 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 15 meter. And the atomic number is 79. So I'll consider that as N, that is 79. Given that the charge of a proton is 1.6 into the power of minus 19 coulomb. Now, charge of a proton, as we all know, it is equivalent to the charge of an electron. Hence, I'll consider it as E is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Now, as we need to determine the potential at the surface. Now, since it's a nucleus which behaves as a spherical surface, it behaves like a point charge. So, I'll apply here quantization of charge. As we all know that Q is equals to NE, I'll find out the total charge, that is N is 79 into E is 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. This is Q. Now, we need to find out the potential. So, it is the potential due to this is within the nucleus, hence it would behave like a single charge. So, I'll apply the formula potential due to a single charge, that is Q V is equals to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Right. Now, as 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught is 9 into 10 raised to the power of 9 into Q is 79 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 upon R. R is the distance, that is 6.6 into 10 to the power of minus 15, which is equals to 9 into 79 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 10 plus 15 upon 6.6. Right. Now, solving this, we get the value to be 1.7 into 10 to the power of 1.7 into 10 to the power of 7 volt. this is the final answer. Moving on to the third numerical. Two charges 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb and minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb are located 15 centimeter apart. So here I represent it through a diagram. Suppose that these are the two charges, that is, let me suppose that this is A, this is B, it is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb and minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb. They are located 15 centimeter apart. Now, since it's an SI unit, this is not an SI unit, so I'll convert it into an SI unit, that is 0.15 meter. So the distance from here to here is 0.15 meter. At what point in the line dividing the two charges is the electric potential 0? Now they are not taken at what point exactly the point P lies. So we can take it anywhere. The electric potential at infinity to be 0. Now let me suppose that the point P lies somewhere here. Right? Now the distance between the two charges is 0.15 meter and I am supposing this distance to be equals to x. Then this would come out to be equals to 0.15 minus x. Now, since they have told that the electric potential is 0, hence I can write VA plus VB should be equals to 0. Then we'll apply the formula. As we know that it is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R. Now Q by R. Now Q is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught would be common. So it would be equals to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8 upon R is x. Then the next charge minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 upon 0.15 minus x should be equals to 0. Right? Now, solving it further, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught, I'll take it to the other side so that it would be, and 10 to the power of minus 8 also I would take it to be common. So I can take 10 to the power of minus 8 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 3 by x minus 2 upon 0.15 minus x should be equals to 0. Solving it, I'll take it to the other side, that is 3 by x minus 2 upon 0.15 minus x should be equals to 0. Right? Now, so it would be 0.45 minus 3x minus 2x upon 0.15 minus x into x should be equals to 0. Taking this term also to the other side, I will be left with 0.45 minus 5x is equals to 0. That is 5x is equals to 0.45, right? Or x is equals to 0.09 meters. Okay, 0.09 meters, which means x is equals to 9 centimeter. That means the potential would be 0 at a distance of 9 centimeter from 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb. Now, it's not necessary that I should take the point P here itself. I can take it anywhere. That is, I'll suppose another condition to be, I'll draw another diagram. For that, I'm supposing it that these two charges are again, they are separated by the same distance, that is 0.15 meter. It is again at A, that is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb. This is minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 coulomb. Now I am supposing that the point E is present here. I am finding out the point potential at this point. And let me suppose that this total distance is x. If this total distance is x, then I can consider this distance as, from here to here, the distance would be x minus 0.15 meters. Okay, now again I'll find out the potential. For finding out the potential, again we'll apply the formula VA plus VB should be equals to 0. Now VA is again 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. I would take it to be common. It would be 3 into 10 to the power of minus 8 upon the distance from this to this point. It is x, so it would be x minus 2 into 10 to the power of minus 8 upon this distance would be equals to x minus 0.15, which should be equals to 0.